Hello, I am Dr. Che, and in this video we would write a model essay number 14. This is video number 2. As you know, this is best way essay, and this is essay writing course for particularly for arts and TOEFL students, and in general for any English learner. Please subscribe to my channel. Look at the description box for updates and links to my Facebook groups. Like and comment to encourage me. Share with other students to help them, and subscribe and press bell icon to get more free courses on vocabulary, grammar, writing, speaking, listening and reading also. This is an overview of my essay writing course. I have started from 4 assessment criteria. Then I would go for different classes like time management, how to plan essay, generate ideas, paraphrasing, introductions, conclusions and many more videos. Then I would go for different types of essays. We are at this one, best way essay. I would also write more than 15 model essays in my course. So open playlist of my channel and watch complete course in order. Link is given below in the description box. I would write a complete model essay and I explain you everything step by step. I would intentionally make some mistakes in the essay to test your knowledge. At the end, I would correct the mistakes and I would explain you in detail. This was our question. Some people say that the only reason for learning a foreign language is in order to travel to or work in a foreign country. Others say that these are not the only reasons why someone would learn a foreign language. Discuss both sides and give your opinion. Discuss both and give your opinion. This was our brainstorming. We have written about travel and employment. Now we are going to write my opinion that there is also other purposes of this learning a language, like cultural understanding and studies. To learn about a history, foreign language is important. To understand deeply about a history or culture, pursue higher studies. Language, native language is important. So we have written introduction here, first body paragraph here, and as I have started, my first body paragraph was with on the other hand, and now I'm going to give opposite opinion. So I can use on the one hand was used earlier. Now I can use on the other hand, or we can also use however. However, I would argue that understanding foreign culture and studying at high level universities is more important reasons to learn a foreign language. To learn a foreign language, you can also only use language instead of again using foreign language. Here is foreign also. To learn a language, then travel and work. Those who can speak the native language of a foreign country may find it easy, of course easy, easier, a bit comparative to understand its culture and customs. For example, let us give an example. Texts on the history, sorry, texts on the history and traditions of a country are much more widely available. Of course, there are no translations in for cultures, mostly then they are in native language, are widely available in the native language. And why translated are not good? Relying on translated documents not only reduces the volume of information available, but inaccurate translations may lead to misunderstanding. But inaccurate translations may lead to misunderstandings. Of course, if the translation is not exact, then it could you can imagine opposite of the what is about information about someone's culture. So let us talk about study. Moreover, this is translation signal. Moreover, here being able to speak a foreign language make it easy for students to pursue their higher studies with foreign universities. Many of which now offer distance learning or local campus sport. Now this is about studies. Let us give an example. For example, studying a master's degree in business requires a high level of English. So even when studying locally in your own country, English is very important for business or any other studies. A second language, especially English, a second language is essential. Now we would go for a conclusion. We know in conclusion we write transition signal. In conclusion, then we summarize both sides, and at the end we give our own opinion. In conclusion, how I can summarize? First of all, is about learning to travel and for employment, and the second one is about understanding culture and studies. In conclusion, learning a second language is obviously essential for those who wish to work and travel abroad. However, I disagree that I believe I acknowledge I accept that learning of second language is obviously essential to work and travel abroad, but I disagree that they are the only reasons and believe that cultural understanding and higher education are equally important, if not more so. So my conclusion is complete. Second body paragraph is complete. Now you should have at least 3 to 5 minutes at the end for proofreading. Just proofreading, just to go through again your essay and pick out if there is any common mistake. For example, like spelling mistakes, punctuation mistake, subject verb agreement mistake, and other vocabulary or grammar mistake. You can also make your own list of your common errors and you can pick them out in your proofreading. Let us have a look. It is true that more and more people learn a foreign language nowadays. It is okay, although some believe that travel and employment are that is fine, though there is a compound verb join with and we will use are the only factors behind this trend. I feel that there are more reasons for learning languages. On the one hand, it could be argued that being able to communicate. This is a silly mistake that you can leave some word while writing. So during proofreading it is very important to correct your mistakes. To communicate in a foreign language is only useful for travel and employment. Traveling or working in a foreign country without learning the native tongue can easily lead to discrimination. For instance, most native employers only recruit migrant workers who cannot speak their language for blue collar jobs like construction or agriculture, where there is less need to communicate with other people. That is fine. Therefore, those who are good at speaking a foreign language are not only able to do a well-paid job but can also communicate easily, as they can ask, understand, and inquire about different routes by using their language skills. That is fine here. However, I would argue that understanding foreign culture and studying at high level university is more important reason. Understanding foreign culture and study, these are two subjects joined by the and, so we will use here plural subject verb are more important reasons to learn a foreign language than travel and work. Those who can speak the native language of a foreign country may find it easier to understand its culture and customs. The texts on the history and traditions of country are much more widely available in the native language. Relying on translated documents not only reduces the volume of information available, but inaccurate translations may lead to misunderstanding. That is fine. Being able to speak a foreign language make it easy for students to pursue. Being able to, what is the subject of make? Language or being able to? Being able to, we are using gerund here. When we use gerund, we use singular form of verb makes it. Being able to speak a foreign language makes it easy for students to pursue their higher studies with foreign universities, many of which now offer distance learning or local campus support. For example, studying a master's degree in business requires a high level of English, so even when studying locally, a second language is essential. In conclusion, learning a second language is obviously essential for those who wish to work and travel abroad. However, I disagree that they are the only reasons, and believe cultural understanding and higher education are equally important, if not more so. This is the end of my conclusion. After watching my complete essay writing course, you would be able to write very good essays, but remember, you should take feedback on your writing from any IELTS expert. I would also start my correction service in the last 6 months of 2021. I would hire an IELTS expert from UK, preferably a native English teacher. We would both work together to provide you advanced, comprehensive and cheap writing correction service. This is my Facebook ID. Stay in touch with me if I can start this service earlier. At the end, please subscribe to my channel. Look at the description box for updates and links to my Facebook groups. Like and comment to encourage me. Share with other students to help them, and subscribe and press bell icon to get more free courses on vocabulary, grammar, writing, speaking, listening and reading also. Thank you very much.